Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Thomas and we're giving you a tour of the first KFC to open in the parish of St. Thomas. It is located at the Morant Urban Centre, a mega development recently built just on the outskirts, well, in the town of Morant. Now, KFC is the number one fast food chain in Jamaica, and they've always put their stores at the best locations. And they've always led. They're always the first fast food chain to grow into to open up in some of the fastest growing areas in Jamaica. They were first in Draxall, first in Runaway Bay, Black River. So the KFC store here in St. Thomas is basically a game changer for the parish. Now, with the opening of this store, there is only one parish in Jamaica that doesn't have a KFC, and that is Hanover. All the other parishes have KFC. Some have, like St. Anne has five. And of course, Kingston and St. Andrew have numerous locations. All right, guys, just giving you a quick tour. The facility or the store opened they had a soft opening in December and an official opening in January. All right, guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Have a good day.